Hi everyone! Welcome to this week's Just the Tip. My name is Corey McDougald, and this week I want to talk about my entryway. So, my entryway into my new house is very different from my old house. I don't really have a place for shoes, coats, kind of that mudroomy type, so like that immediate drop zone when you come into the house. So I wanted to create a little something, and it's very simple. So I do have a separate closet, and that's where I'm keeping kind of overflow of shoes for myself, my kids, my husband in bins labeled. And then the shoes that we're wearing on an everyday basis, I have two of those kind of plastic waterproof mats, and I kind of set them right across from the door when you enter, and it's just a natural place to drop your shoes. It keeps things clean, it keeps them somewhat organized. Now, I realize that this can get out of hand if you're wearing multiple shoes and people are wearing multiple shoes. So that's where you want to have that back storage. So the closet's really close to here, so we can kind of go through and just put away the shoes that we know we're not going to use that week or what's not in season, and just keep out the ones that we know we're going to use every single day, slip on, slip off to get in and out of the house. So I just wanted to share that tip with you. I no longer have my big old shoe bins where the kids can kick off the minute they get inside. They now just have to set them in these black areas, plastic, waterproof areas. But honestly, it's working really great. So far, everyone's liking it. Everyone can find their shoes, and it doesn't look terrible. So join us next week for another Just the Tip.